What's going on, family? Hope y'all are having a great day. I've been having a good day, not gonna complain. I am between the truck and the trailer, and I'm making a repair. It was my fault. I put something back here and I popped off I popped the clip that held a little air line in place, and it got down and got rubbed a hole in it. Well, thankfully, I'm mechanically inclined, and I was able to get a fitting here at the TA while I was taking my 30. I'm gonna flip this camera around and show you. I'll be right back with you. All right, guys, that there is on there. All I gotta say is, if you're an owner-operator and don't have tools, I don't know what you're doing out here. I already know a couple of you are going to say, what are you doing in the side box, Drew? Again, if you're out here and you don't have parts and tools, I don't know what you're doing. There you go, guys. Again. There you go. That little brass fitting, for them to have done it for me, $135. If you're an owner-operator out here, get some tools. All right, guys. Well, the truck's fixed. Sweet Jesus. That could have been very bad. That could have been very bad. $135 for the hour. And then it would have been, on top of that, $6 for the part. They were pretty cool dudes in there. But you could get to some of these shops where they decide that, guess what? Instead of that little fitting, they're going to replace the whole line. $300, $400, $500 probably for the line and the time. So, again, have tools on your truck, have some parts and things like that on your truck, and have some know-how. And if you don't have know-how, Google it. If you can't find it on Google, go get a Chilton. I know a lot of you just looked at me like, Drew, what is that? I'm old school. I'm sorry. Go get you a how-to for your vehicle, whether it's a semi-truck or your 1 ton, 3/4 ton, you know, even your own personal car. You should know how to work on them. It'll save you a lot of money. Hey guys, I love you. Don't want to be a talking head. I'm going to put out some videos this week and try and maybe double or triple up. I'm sorry, I was home for a week and I had some things going on there, and then I've been out here for a week, and I got sick the other day while out here, and so I've just not been real up to snuff. So, but I get things out and we'll show you what's going on. Hey guys, Until next time, we love you, stay safe, and God bless.